Welcome to another episode of Sweet and Savory Eats with Bree. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this super moist and rich banana bread. Personally, it's not one of my favorites, but I do have family and friends that enjoy it and they really like it. So first thing, I already have all of my ingredients laid out, and I'm just going to peel my bananas and just slice them really thin, just so it's more manageable and it's easier to mash the bananas. Okay, so I've seen different, banana bread recipes where they actually left the banana, in whole chunks, but I prefer the method where you mash the bananas. Basically, I just got a baby food consistency, and then I added in my lemon juice. Then I'm gonna start, with my flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon. I'm gonna sift all those together. Basically, sifting is removing, bubbles and clumps from your flour. It just helps the bread, rise and to bake evenly. Which before I never really sifted any of my baking, any of my cakes or anything because I wasn't introduced to it. But it really does make a difference. Okay, so here I have my brown sugar and my granulated sugar together. I'm gonna add in my eggs one by one, as well as my it's not melted butter, but it's softened. You don't want to remix because it can make the bread come out tough. But yeah, just combine the butter and the eggs one by one. And be sure to scrape down the bowl for anything that was left down at the bottom. So now I'm just combining the banana mixture with the egg mixture. I'm gonna combine those, and then I'm gonna add them to my dry mixture. But don't forget to add in your vanilla extract, buttermilk, and I also did add a little sour cream. Um, I do that for all of my cakes, so I did it for my bread as well, just like about half a cup. I started off with a fourth cup of raisins, but I ended up adding more. Um, I mixed those in with a spatula, and then I prepared my pan. Make sure everything was nice and even, and on top I sprinkled some oatmeal. I sprayed that down just so like it would have something to like adhere to, and so that it would kind of brown. So I sprayed that down with my spray, and then I baked it, and this is what I came out with. I just love how brown and golden it came out. And like I said, as you can see, it's going to be like super moist. The raisins are like, nicely distributed, and everything just came out really perfect. And so I'm glad.